Hi, this is our Armonia update for fall of 2024. So in phase 1, we're already up all 16 floors. And in phase 2, we were supposed to start in December of this year, December 2024, but we're a little bit early. So I think we're gonna be starting before that. So while we're here, you might also hear some construction noise. Sorry about that. We're gonna take you outside to show you the construction and the new model apartment. So let's go check it out. So this is the 56 square meter model apartment, which is the mid-sized. Here you have the entrance and the kitchen. You have a nice space to dine. And we did this so you guys could see what a flex space looks like, because some of the models, some of the layouts have flex spaces. So we converted in this apartment, the secondary bedroom into a flex space. So it can be used as an extension of a living room. I know some people that are making it into an office space because there's so many universities in the area. It can really be used as whatever you want it to be.